Hey everyone, welcome back to our basement. And why are we in the laundry room in the basement? Well, today we're talking about these mats. These are KMAT Ergonomic kitchen mats, or what we're using them for is laundry mats. These are the comfortable, squishy kind of mats that are really going to help to relieve the fatigue that you get from standing in one place for too long. Now, I know you typically don't stand in your laundry room very long, but this is a cold floor and we wanted something that was comfortable and easy to stand on. And this fit the bill perfectly for us. They come in 8 different colors and we picked the gray. And these are extremely comfortable and very nice to stand on. See, it really comes down to the thickness of these, and that's where you're going to get the nice padding and the nice comfort for your feet. And these are very nice and thick, and they're very well designed where they're very tough and sturdy. But what you want to know is would I recommend them or would I buy them again? Yeah, I would absolutely buy these again. In fact, we already did. See, my wife loved them so much in the basement, she wanted some for the kitchen upstairs, or maybe it might have been the other way around, but we have a set of these for the kitchen upstairs, so when we're cooking, we're also in comfort. The fact that they come in 8 different colors, so there's one that's going to match almost any decor, the toughness and sturdiness of these, and the fact that they keep my feet warm if I come down here without shoes on, those are all reasons that I love these. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.